In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master content calendar in Asana, bringing all of your campaigns into one organized space. This process will help streamline your content planning and ensure a seamless workflow across your team. Let's dive in. First, we'll set up a new project, log into your Asana account. Once you're in, head over to the Create button or choose the New Project option from your dashboard. You have the flexibility here to either start from scratch with a blank project, or if it's available, use a handy content calendar template to speed up the setup process. Give your project a clear and intuitive name like Content Calendar, and don't forget to select your desired privacy settings to control who has access. Choosing the right project view is the next step. Asana offers several views, each catering to different planning styles. The list view is perfect for those who appreciate a detailed breakdown of tasks. It allows for a comprehensive layout of all your content tasks. Alternatively, the board view offers a Kanban style visualization, making it fantastic for tracking the progress of content through various stages, such as ideas, in progress, scheduled, and published. Lastly, the calendar view is exceptionally useful for a quick overview of deadlines and content timelines, helping you see how your schedule stacks up at a glance. Once you've settled on a view, it's time to create sections or columns. If you've opted for the board view, you'll want to set up columns for each stage of content development: ideas, in progress, review, scheduled, and published. For those using the list view, structuring your sections by month or content type can be more beneficial, such as organizing sections for blog posts, social media, videos, and podcasts. Adding tasks is where your content calendar truly comes to life. Start by clicking Add Task to enter each content piece. This could be anything from an Instagram reel, product demo, to a blog post on top marketing trends. Be sure to set due dates for these tasks to keep everything on track and assign them to relevant team members. Don't forget to enrich each task with a detailed description, include any necessary links, and attach essential files or resources directly into the task for easy access. Moving on to step 5, make your content calendar even more dynamic with custom fields and tags. Custom fields allow you to add specific markers to your tasks, such as content type, status, platform, or priority. This additional layer of information improves clarity and prioritization. Similarly, using tags can help categorize content efficiently. Use tags like #video, #Instagram, or #blog to immediately identify the type and platform for each piece of content. By following these steps, you'll create a comprehensive, well-organized master content calendar in Asana. This system not only helps in visualizing and planning your campaigns, but also enhances team collaboration and project execution. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.